Hello there, do you want to learn the fastest way to make money online? Actually $3 over and over again. Yeah, you read the title right, this is exactly what you learn in this video. But to make sure you do not miss out on the strategy that I'll show you and the website name, you gotta watch this video until the end. It's a very small commitment. This is a no BS tutorial, so my videos are not 20-30 minutes long. You just gotta spend 2-3 minutes to watch this video until the end. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things make money online and personal branding, and I have 2 video editors. We try to upload over 3 videos every single day. As I said, there are no BS and you'll learn everything you need to do in just a few minutes. If you appreciate that and you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also make sure you give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm because it helps me out a lot. And also there's a riddle down below. I don't know if you noticed, in the first comment you can see a riddle. Try to answer it, reply to my comment, and I'll give you a thumbs up. It's a nice community thing, and I can also shout you out in one of the next videos if you guess correctly or you comment your Instagram username, TikTok username, YouTube account. Just take it, I'll put it in the shout out jar because you are awesome, and I'll shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, check this out. You can get paid over and over again to do very simple tasks like data mining, which is collecting or extracting information, image categorization, evaluation of surprising products, frame multiple statements from story context, annotate words, sending inquiries, search relevance for e-commerce and online retail. You just search stuff up and you say, is this relevant? Is it not? Video quality, is the video good or not? Image, emotion evaluation, what emotion do you get per image, right? You see these 3, does it make you happy? Does it make you sad? You can do stuff just like this one and actually get paid. And I can show you down below, we have a lot more like video annotations, product tagging, choose preferred meta description, and even more just like this one. Wow, it's actually addicting to check all the ways you can make money online on this website. And here is the website, microworkers.com. You can see it right here. It's very easy to sign up. It's a free website. You can get free PayPal money using it. They have little presentation right here, multiple continuous jobs, do task again, V-code generation, auto submissions, stuff like that. You just gotta click on register, and you can either register as someone that wants to hire other people or someone that wants to do micro jobs, right? Small jobs for other people and get paid. It's a very simple method of making money online. So let me know if you want to try it out in the comments down below. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. And remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. This is no financial medical advice. Do your own due diligence. And by the end of this video, make sure you check this video or this video out. See you next one. Bye.